Hey, fourth graders, today we're going to be working on 2-18, the front and the back, and I will make some slight changes on possibly crossing some things out here. I just want to make sure that I can get an understanding of how you're doing, okay? So before we start, I'm going to say that we are going to cross out number 5, and by the way, if you would like to do these for extra credit, the ones that I cross out, you could do that as well, okay? So we are going to cross out number 5, and then we are going to cross out number 2. That leaves you kind of a little more space to work, okay? So let's do a few together. This is review. We're just solving like we normally do, but we always know that when they are written horizontally that we're going to rewrite them up and down, just like this. All right, plenty of room here, so I go up. 6 times 8, right? Carry my number, 48. And then my last step is going this way and adding the 4. I'm not going to do that. I want you to do that on your own. When you get over to number 3, you have more numbers on top, okay? So use your white space. I'm even going to go up here a little bit because I've got more space. And times 3, give myself plenty of room there, and then I start by going up and then over and then over and then over, okay? So 3 times 9, 27, and keep going, okay? I don't want to do the whole problem for you because I know that you are probably pretty good at these by now. All right, so we're going to finish that bottom section. I think on number 8, we're going to work on that one together. So we'll do one of the ones with more numbers on top together. Times 9. The neater you write, the better, too, guys, just because you can get confused if the numbers get messy. All right, first step, I go up. 9 times 9. Hopefully, maybe you're getting better at not using your chart, right, and just knowing some of them. 9 times 9 is 81. Then I go 9 times 5. You might be good at your 5s. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 8. What's 45 plus 8? I like to add 10 to 45 and then go down 2 because it's really easy to add 10. So if I have 45 and I add 10, it's 55. But I'm only adding 8, so I go 53. And then I go 9 times 8. 9 times 8. See if you can say it before me. 72 plus 5. 77. And 9 times 2 is our last one. 2 groups of 9. 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Count on your fingers if you need to. 25, and I go 3 spots from the back to put my comma, and I am good to go, okay? So on the bottom, you've got 2 story problems. We can talk about those a little bit. I'm going to say we can go ahead and cross out number 11. I should have said that before. That gives you lots of room and white space over here on the side to do number 10. Mr. Jackson goes on vacation for 22 days. He pays $17 each day he is gone for Holly's home service to get the mail, walk the dog, water the plants. How much does Mr. Jackson pay Holly's home service for the time he is on vacation? So I've got my 2 numbers here. This is going to be a 2-digit times 2-digit, right? We're good. We're getting better at these. All right. That's where I'm going to have my line, right? And then I'm going to have a 0 right here eventually, aren't I? And then I'm going to be adding. Okay, here we go. We go up, up. 7 times 2 is 14. Then I go here, 7 times 2 again, 14, plus 1 is 15. And now I'm going to work on my 10 spot, aren't I? Here we go. So I'm going to go this way now. I'm going to go 1 times 2. What is 1 times 2? 1 times 2 is 2. My last spot is, oh, we forgot to cross this guy out. We already used him. Then I go up here, 1 times 2 again, and I'm ready to add, okay? Hopefully you're getting the hang of those 2-digit times 2-digit, guys, okay? Add your numbers. Do that on your own. And our label is actually, it says, how much does Mr. Jackson pay? So our label is actually going to be a $sign on that one because we're adding them up, and then we're going to figure out the money that he is spending while he's on vacation, okay? All right, when you are ready, meet me on the remembering side, and we'll talk about what we're going to do there. All right, here we are on our remembering side. Okay, I'm going to cross out number 2, and then I'm going to cross out and remember, you can do these for extra credit. I'm always impressed that a lot of people do them, okay? And then I'm going to cross out number 4, all right? But you are more than happy to do them. This is review because we are on the back, so we're on the remembering side, what you're supposed to remember, right? So don't forget that when you get over here, that you need to write them the up and down way, okay? And then I should see you're carrying, right? And then you got 2 plus problems on the top here to do. Just remember to carry your numbers on those. When you get down to the bottom part, okay, I'm going to say that we can cross out number 6 and just do number 7, and number 8 is extra credit. All right, so that kind of shows you what our assignment is for today, guys, okay? Just kind of zoom back in there so you can see. All right, have a spectacular day.